is Rebecca Wattam, and I work for the Cyber Infrastructure Division at VBI. I work on a variety of different research projects. We work with different people who come to us because they're having trouble analyzing their data. It's on a variety of organisms that are generally important to people because they make them sick. And they have data they're incapable or feel uncomfortable doing the analysis, and so they come to PATRIC and our research group and ask us for help in interpreting the data they already have. PATRIC is the all-bacterial bioinformatics resource center funded by the National Institutes of Health. NIH, I think, recognized that there is a lot of data out there that needs to be integrated. What they were looking for is a one-stop kind of shop for data for researchers to come to. They know very well that biologists have problems with these data types and finding the data, and it's stored in different repositories with different identifiers tagged to it, and it's very difficult for biologists to find the data that they want to analyze. And so NIAID decided that they needed to create these resource centers where people could have all the data integrated together, and that's what PATRIC does.
PATRIC stands for Pathosystems Resource Integration Center. We are currently working on developing a bioinformatic resource center for bacterial pathogens. The project is funded by NIAID. And the goal of this project is to provide an integrated data analysis resource which allows researchers to analyze the omics data generated by next-gen sequencing technology without requiring specific bioinformatic or computational skills. With the next-gen sequencing technology, it is relatively easier to generate the data for a bacterial genome or transcriptome, but it is still a challenging task to analyze this data in a timely fashion. The time required to analyze the biological data, it's monumental. Sometimes it takes weeks or months for individual biologists to analyze their data and ask specific questions or get answers. There is a need for a system or a resource that allow biologists to analyze their data in a relatively easy manner without them requiring specific bioinformatic or computational skills. So our goal is to provide this kind of resource which allows biologists to ask specific questions.
I'm just a regular biologist. I have very few computational skills. And when I show people that they can do this too, you find these tools and you realize that you can look at these things, they can do it too. And that's a big problem for a lot of the research biologists. They don't have the computational skills, and it's this mountain of data that they see. But if they have the correct tools, they can analyze it too, and they can find the answers that they're searching for.